In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add background image in the Filmora app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit. Just like this. Now, to create the background, tap onto the video track just like this and zoom in on the video just like this, and now you can see a background has been created. Now to add the background image, tap onto background just right here, select it. Now to add the image, tap onto style right here on the album. Then simply choose one photo that you want to add as a background just like this and add as canvas right here. Now wait for a few seconds and now you can see the image has been added as a background, and simply tap onto the check mark. And that's it. This is how you can add image as a background in the Filmora editing app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.